Hi guys, welcome to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. It's been a while since I posted a video with me here. I hope you guys miss me because I miss you guys so much. So yeah, I've been so busy. You know, life is not always so easy. I have work, I have school, and I have family. You know, a lot of things going on. So you know, it really got me a lot on my plate. So I haven't been able to post anything new. But if you're following on my Instagram, TikTok, or just YouTube Shorts, you can still see that I'm still posting, right? And I also finally found some time to do some more new design and new tutorial for you guys. So hopefully you guys are still making 3D perlers and waiting for my new tutorials and design created for you guys. So if you're on my Instagram, you will have seen the new earring set that I created. So we have here Hello Kitty, and then cinnamon roll, my melody. Yeah, so I only made these 3 characters right here so far. I finally found some time and create them because I saw something similar to it with another character, but it really inspired me to make the character that I really like. But you know, since I already made a lot of things with Kuromi, so I decided to make these 3 first. But if you guys vote for Kuromi, I'm gonna make that one. I'm gonna make that one next. So today our tutorial is gonna be Hello Kitty. You can see I made the huge one. So this one is made with the regular 5 mm Perler bead, and this one is with the mini bead 2.6 mm. So you can see the size different. This one you cannot really put earrings, but you can put like braces or you know, something to hold on to it. It will still look really cute, right? And then I decided to do something special this time. Is once you created Hello Kitty and you want to make cinnamon roll, tag me on Instagram with your Hello Kitty and I'll send you the pattern to make cinnamon roll. And then once you make cinnamon roll and you want to make my melody, which is right here, also tag me on Instagram with your video of your photo of my cinnamon roll and I'll send you the pattern to make my melody. It's gonna be fun. I hope you're gonna make all 3 of them, right? Yep. So again, if you're new to my channel, your first time here, welcome, and make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so you get notification whenever I have new tutorials or new YouTube shorts. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest because I often post a lot of like new tutorials and new pattern there for free. So make sure you also follow me on there. Just check out my description down below. And if you've been following me and really like missed my video, thank you so much because I hope I'll continue to keep up with my tutorial for you guys, and thank you so much for all your support. Without it, I wouldn't be able to do so much, right? Alright, so let's get started with our today's tutorial. Yay!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started with our Hello Kitty stand. Alright, so this is gonna be the centerpiece. This is to the front, to this one is to the back. So I'm gonna use the centerpiece right here. I'm gonna start with this connector. This one will go into the middle. Alright, and then let's connect this one to the back. So I like this side better. Alright, so now we can start with the connectors. So let's use this one. It's gonna be right in the center. Sometimes here. Yep, just like so. And then we're gonna use this one right here. This one with the bubblegum beads on the top. Yeah, so it sometimes doesn't work, then I need to use a tool kind to leave the beads to go in. just like so. Oops, it flipped upside down now. Okay, supposed to be this way. Yep, that's looking good. And then we're gonna have this one right here with the purple bead going up. So it's gonna go in this way. Yep, we got this. And then we got this one right here. It's gonna connect right here. All right, looking good. And then we will have this bead go through here. Also go through the back. So let's add the back piece to the back first. Here we go, looking good. All right, this one doesn't really lay flat, so I'm gonna flip it over. And hopefully it looks better on this side. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we're gonna go into these connectors right here. So one on each side. Sometimes it can be challenging when, you know, there's not enough room to squeeze this in. So I have to use some energies. All right, looking good. And now we can start adding these the small ones. So this project is all about the connectors, right? These ones make me sweat because it's not easy to put it right at the right place. Yep, 2 more to go. All right, that looks good. I hope you got it. All right, so let's add this piece onto the top. Oh, I can hear the helicopters. I don't know if you guys can hear that too. Okay, so take it slowly because you're going through a lot of connectors at one point. So just take it slow, one section at a time. All right, we got this. All right, so it's up to you. If you know, let's go in here. So it's gonna go this way, I believe. All right, on this side, and then we're gonna leave the bottom late for later. And let's add this one first. It's gonna go from the top. Open a little bit to slide it in. Yay, so we got this. And we're gonna make this one. Should be right here. I believe so. Yeah. And then we're gonna add the face piece onto the top. All right, that's looking good. Let me see. Is it supposed to go this way? Yeah, I think it's supposed to go this way. Yeah, perfect. All right, so now let's add the little arms right here. Just click it in. And then also on the other side. Yeah, that looks perfect. All right, so at the bottom, we're gonna go here. So it lines up with the yellow color or the chowder color. And then adding this one onto the back. Yeah, that looks perfect. All right, so from here, we're gonna add these ones, just like so. All right, so hold on right here, and then adding these 2 pieces to the side. We're almost done. You can see it, right? So, and then adding the little bowl to the front. Look just perfect right here. Oh, if that's the case, I think I'm gonna flip it over. Let's see. Now I'm challenging myself to do what I did earlier. Yep. So I believe it should be like this. So sorry about that. The white dot should be to the front the bubble gum should be at the bottom, so it looks better this way. Alright, so I hope you make this one, and if you want to continue with cinnamon roll and also my melody, make this Hello Kitty and tag me on Instagram, and I'll send you the pattern to make this one, and I'm gonna make the tutorial video to make this one as well, so you can use the pattern to do that. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!